Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time travel machine. Begin by choosing a contained test area and wearing safety gear, then sketch a clear schematic showing coils, power inputs, and controls. Use low voltages for initial tests and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Work methodically, take notes, and involve a second person for monitoring. Treat experiments like prototypes, iterate slowly, and stop if anything smells or heats unusually. This segment covers the core components you will need and why they matter. Focus on a sturdy primary coil wound with insulated copper wire and rated to your expected current. Pair it with a regulated power supply that offers adjustable voltage and current limiting to protect circuits. Add a programmable timing controller to shape pulses and use insulated connectors and fuses to prevent accidental shorts during testing. When testing, adopt a cautious, experimental mindset and prioritize data over drama. Start at low power and increase gradually while watching for heat, smoke, or unusual noises. Log voltage, current, and timing for every run so you can compare results and tweak parameters. If you see inconsistent behavior, stop and inspect connections, then adjust the timing controller in small increments to isolate which change produced the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.